Morning everyone. Got some great deals today. Looking at moving some stock through. This is an off-site sale. Just take you around the outside first. What we've got here is a 41 by 13 foot Sunseeker Supreme. Lovely sliding door at the front. Screaming for decking around it. Like I said, it's an off-site sale. This one's £23,000. 2 bedroom, 41 by 13 foot. Let's take you inside the van. Love all the windows. Love all the windows. There we go. Really spacious. That extra space on the width really makes a difference. Sliding doors at the front. There we go. Loads of space here. So we can arrange or put you in touch with transport that can help deliver this to wherever it needs to go. We'll take it off the plot for you. Nice kitchen here. Dishwasher integrated. And washing machine already there. There's our microwave. Good spacious kitchen diner. Integrated fridge and freezer. So 41 by 13 means that you get space in this. Storage, bags of it. There's bathroom 1 and shower. And into bedroom 1. There it is. Nice room in the twin. And again, bags of storage. What makes a difference really is the master, and this one's a beauty. There we go, loads of space, and again more storage absolutely everywhere. Storage under the bed as well, of course. Double glazing, central heating, nice vanity area, and a really good ensuite. There we go. Being sold off-site. Come along, take it away, talk to us. £23,000. This will be snapped up. I'm Simon. 07973 620 351. Be the first to call. This one's going to fly out. 23 grand. Look at all the space in it. Absolute beauty. £23,000 to the first bidder. Give me a call, 07973 620 351. Let's help you take this one away. Cheers.